I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your DualSense Edge to Cronus Zen. First, ensure your Cronus Zen device has the absolute latest firmware installed for optimal performance. Next, make sure your DualSense Edge controller is fully charged, as this prevents any power-related interruptions during the setup process. Finally, connect your Cronus Zen to your personal computer using the provided mini USB cable to prepare for configuration. Now, open the Zen Studio software on your computer. Head over to the Device tab and carefully select the PlayStation 5 console as your target platform. This step is crucial for proper communication. Then, simply drag and drop the specific game pack or script designed for your DualSense Edge controller onto the device. This customizes your experience and unlocks advanced features. With Zen Studio configured, it's time for the physical connections. Plug your DualSense Edge controller into the 3 USB port on the Cronus Zen using a reliable USB-C cable. Next, connect the Cronus Zen itself to your PlayStation 5 console using the console's standard USB cable. Finally, observe the Cronus Zen's display. It should show a clear indicator confirming a successful pairing. After connecting everything, launch a game and thoroughly test all your DualSense Edge controller's functions to ensure everything works as expected. If you encounter any issues, a common fix is to try a different, high-quality USB cable or an alternative USB port on the Cronus Zen. For more complex problems, always refer to the comprehensive Cronus Zen user manual or explore their active online community forums for solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.